Welcome to our latest tutorial on how to share your profile on Instagram. Instagram is constantly updating their features, so it's always good to stay up to date on how to navigate the app. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Next, tap on your profile picture located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Once on your profile, look for the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner of the screen. Tap on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From the menu, select the option that says Share Profile. A pop-up window will appear with the option to share your profile. Tap on the Share Profile button to proceed. After tapping on Share Profile, another pop-up window will appear confirming that you want to share your profile. Tap on the Share button to finalize the process, and there you have it. Your Instagram profile is now successfully shared. You can choose to share it with specific contacts or on your other social media platforms. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to share your profile on Instagram. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to make the most out of your Instagram experience. Happy sharing!